Good morning, everybody. Okay, so yesterday I went to Gigi's Asian Kitchen and it was very, very good. Food was great and they give you a lot of food. It's family style. So yeah, definitely hit up Gigi's Asian Kitchen. I loved it. Now we are in Bonaire. My first time in Bonaire. And we're heading off the ship right now. We have an excursion at about 10 a.m. and it's basically another beach day, but who doesn't love a beach day? So we're gonna head out to grab our taxi or whatever, our shuttle to the beach, and yeah, and then we'll get our day started. And we are here till 9:30 p.m. as well, so I'm excited to explore Bonaire. All right, guys, we are off the ship. So we're in Bonaire. It's a little cloudy, as you can see, but that's okay. Hey, Chloe. It's a little cloudy, as you can see. Ship is right behind me. We're gonna go on out and see what's happening out here. It's okay, Chloe. Chloe's upset. So yeah, we're gonna head on out and we're gonna show you the port. On the bus now. We have our wristbands and we have to be back here at 2:15 local time. Well, not, yeah, 2:15 local time. Although we are here till 9:30 p.m. Once we come back to the ship at 2:15, we're free to do whatever we want after that. So let's get this excursion started. All right, guys, we have made it to Ocean Oasis here in Bonaire, and yeah, it's Ocean Oasis. So we're gonna head in, I guess, this way to where the beach is. Oh, hello, look, my watermelon. What happened? You need help? Okay. Oh, something in your foot? Okay. You want watermelon? Thank you. Ooh, what? Okay.
Would you like a watermelon?
No. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, you try. The staff gathered everybody around and just told us what was going to be going on for the day. They showed us where to get towels and where we can find the lounge beds on the outside. Okay, guys, so we're here at the Oasis Lagoon, and basically what they were saying was it rained. Okay, so the seats are wet, and they basically gave us towels to put over the seats. They said if it rains again, we would have to come inside into the little hut to take cover and bring the towels inside as well. But they did give us free bottles of water, and they gave us some watermelon as we came in. This is the lagoon. So they said that we can swim here in the lagoon. And he said the ocean though, we would need like water shoes because I guess it's a little too rocky. They don't want us to cut our feet, which I understand. But I didn't know that. So I don't have water shoes, so I can't really go into the ocean. But yeah, so this is Oasis Lagoon. They also gave us a menu so that if we wanted to, you know, order some food, we could. Food is ordered separately. And I already feel like I can already feel it drizzling again. So, I don't know how the day is gonna go here in Bonaire. It's raining already. Again, no, we just got here. But Bonaire is a little rough. I don't know, it looks a little rough, the city of Bonaire. We'll see how this goes. It's starting to rain again though. So I'm gonna go and take some cover. Guys, we are in a thunderstorm here in Bonaire at the Oasis Lagoon, or Ocean Oasis, where we're at. It's pouring down, raining. Thunder is out of control. The thunder is thundering. It feels like a bomb. We're literally here. We can't do anything. It's pouring down. We're in the hut, the little restaurant area here, which is nice in here, but it's pouring down. You hear me? Pouring. Let me see if I can show you guys. Probably can't see it, but I'll get a close up a little later. I don't want to get too close to the rain right now. It's like, I don't want to get hit by lightning. Crazy. So we're just literally sitting here. Hopefully it stops so we can at least go outside and look at the water. But who knows? I don't know. But it is pouring. Alright, so I'm back live with you guys, just checking in. Yeah, Chloe. The power has just went out. Oh, it's back on. Power was just out. But it's back on. This is becoming the excursion from hell. But, it's still raining, we're still waiting. It's still raining and we're still waiting. So that's it. Oh, music's back on. Alright. Okay, so I am out. I am back out. Come on, Chloe. We're back out. Me and Chloe, we're out here again. We're gonna try this again. Out here in Bonaire. The rain has stopped. I'm excited about that. So now we're just gonna walk. Since our excursion got canceled, we're gonna just walk around. See what the port area looks like, and yeah, so let's get into it. So it looks like this is a little market where you can buy, oh, you have shaved ice. And it's just like little vendors who are selling things. I guess it's the locals selling whatever they have. Jewelry, all types of stuff. So this is not far from the port. And they got jewelry and they have all kinds of things, yeah. Looks like they have some handcrafted product made in Bonaire. Some tequila. That's nice. So this is a small little shopping area here in Bonaire. Here. Oh yeah, it looks like they have like a little restaurant here and shops. Come on. Over in this area, they had some amazing like overwater bungalow restaurants slash bars. I really have to try this when I come back and eat at one of these restaurants. It was so pretty. They had really good views. The ship was like in the background. So yeah, this was really nice, a really nice area. Okay guys, so that concludes my tour here in Bonaire. And it was okay. A lot of shops, little bars. You know, as long as you're right by the port area, it's okay. My excursion didn't go well, but that's okay. They did give us a refund because we did book through Carnival Excursion, so they did give us a refund. So that's a plus. But yeah, so walking around here, it's okay. It's very hot and it's a lot of cars just everywhere. Cars everywhere. But I'm headed back to the ship, so I will see y'all on the ship. Alright, I am back on the ship, of course. And it's white night tonight, so I'm dressed up in my blue jean jacket. But basically it's white night, which is actually starting right now. But I'm going to go and get me a drink from the sports bar, the Skybox. And then I'm gonna go down to the atrium because that is where it is taking place, the all-white party. So I'm gonna go down there in a minute. Passing the Limelight Lounge, that is where the comedians and the nightclub take place. But yeah, so I'm going to the Skybox. And then I'm going to the white party. So yeah, I will see you down there. The white party was fun. It was a lot of people. Everybody was engaged, and the cruise director, he did a really good job. They were playing like old school songs, kind of going through the different eras, like 80s, 90s, 2000s. So it was cool. It was a good time. white party. I am leaving the white party. I'm gonna go back to the room for a split second. I'm gonna pop back out when I go to the club. I'm gonna check it out. My first time going to the club, but yeah, so I haven't gone yet, and I'm gonna go tonight to see what the vibe is. Tomorrow we do have Curacao, so I don't want to stay out too late, but I am gonna pop out. I gotta pop out, right? I'm over here where Fahrenheit Steakhouse 555 is. You guys ever been on the ship? This is the steakhouse here on Carnival Horizon, and it's right next to the Alchemy Bar, the casino. Okay, it's right below. Right, that's the casino. You do have bonsai sushi, and you also have teppanyaki right over there. So just giving you guys a little view of what's going on tonight. Curacao, we're not going to be there all night like we were with Bonaire and Aruba. So I think all aboard is like 4:30. But this is where you come and get your pictures done, or you can purchase your pictures. You can look at your pictures, all of that jazz. This is a screen, and it does show like pictures throughout the cruise that people have taken. So you might catch your face on one of those pixel blocks. But yeah, this is the gallery, so you can purchase your pictures here. And right next to the gallery is Pig and Anchor over here. Flavor Town. Yeah, Pig and Anchor. The barbecue joint. Guy Fieri's barbecue joint. So yeah. There is Pig and Anchor. And it's actually, you see right there, it's a brewery on board. It is an actual brewery. So I think that's cool. They do brew it on board. All right, guys. So like I said, I'm gonna head to the room, and then I will catch you guys later. A little pack in here.
Me down when the roof gone. At the KOD, she leave with me. She got friends.
Alright guys, I'm going to leave this vlog here. I thank you all for watching, but make sure you come on back because tomorrow I am in Curacao, my first time in Curacao, so it's going to be a great vlog. And make sure you guys give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!